Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm so excited to share with you my 2-month IELTS study plan that is completely free. Plus, I have a bonus for you, a free Notion template of my study plan that you can use for free. If you find the Notion app helpful, you can upgrade it using an affiliate link in the description below. So let's dive in. First things first, let's have a look at a big picture of my study plan. Our study plan, that is 2 months long, is allocated for all sections of the IELTS test: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. You can have access to my study plan for free by using a link in the description. A simple way of saying thank you for me is just by subscribing to my YouTube channel, watching my other videos, sharing it with your friends.